Metapixel is a JavaScript code snippet that tracks visitor actions on your website. This powerful tool allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding exactly what actions people take when they visit your site. Metapixel is essential for three key purposes: conversion tracking, audience building, and campaign optimization on Facebook and Instagram. It helps you understand which ads are driving real business results. To set up Metapixel, you first need to access Meta Business Manager. Navigate to the Events Manager section, where you can create a new pixel or manage existing ones. Once in Events Manager, create a new pixel or select an existing one. The system will generate your unique pixel code, which includes your pixel ID, a crucial 15 to 16-digit number needed for integration with your website. Your Metapixel is now ready for integration. Remember to copy and save your pixel ID, as this unique identifier is what connects your website tracking to your Facebook advertising campaigns. GoDaddy Website Builder doesn't offer direct Metapixel integration, but we can work around this limitation using HTML injection, the most reliable method available. The solution is HTML injection. This method involves directly adding Metapixel code to your website's HTML structure, giving you full control over pixel implementation. First, access your GoDaddy Website Builder dashboard. Navigate to Settings, then find the SEO and Analytics section. This is where you'll add your Metapixel code. In the SEO and Analytics section, you'll add the Metapixel code to the site-wide header. This ensures the pixel loads on every page of your website for comprehensive tracking. Configure standard events relevant to your business model. E-commerce sites should include purchase events, lead generation sites need lead events, and content sites benefit from view content tracking. After implementation, verification is crucial. Install the Metapixel Helper Chrome extension to monitor pixel firing in real time and ensure your tracking is working correctly. Finally, use Meta's Events Manager to test your pixel setup. The Test Events feature allows you to monitor live events and confirm that your pixel is capturing data correctly across your website. With HTML injection, proper event configuration, and thorough testing, you'll have a fully functional Metapixel integrated with your GoDaddy Website Builder site, enabling powerful Facebook and Instagram advertising capabilities.